face mask. Today, this idea has become very trendy, and everyone watches this video because it has a little secret. What makes this video interesting is not the mask, but the things that are put inside the mask. You can mix strange things in the mask. With this idea, you will earn more than $100,000 a month applying nail polish. This idea is very special, and many people can't handle this idea because you have to work delicately. If you apply nail polish by mistake, you have to apply it again from the beginning. If you think that you should only use one color, I must say you are very wrong. To be successful, you must make strange designs. For example, since Halloween is near, you must make Halloween designs. With this idea, you will earn more than $5,000 a month.